Hey everyone, in our class together, you will be asked to complete papers and we will make sure that we are using APA 7. So fields like psychology, sociology, counseling, anthropology, sometimes political science. We use APA, which is the American Psychological Association. And it's most of you guys have used MLA, but APA is a different style of writing. So I will provide this template for you in our class together, and it is required that you do use it in our rubrics that you will find attached to each assignment. You'll see that typically I have APA formatting as some kind of points. And so really learning how to use APA in this class is going to be really important for your success. So let's go over this real quick. This is an APA template that you're going to be able to hopefully download and use, whether it's for this class or for future classes. And so in your running head here, this will just be a shortened title. So I'm going to just use an example. I'm going to go soccer. And we're going to talk about soccer in this paper because I love soccer. So in our running head, it will say soccer in capitalized letters. And then I'm going to go ahead and close that. And then I'm going to go learning to play soccer. Okay, my name. And you really don't need to put your titles in there. And you'll see in here, Victor Valley College. Perfect. So this is your title page in here. Super easy so far, right? So your title, I'm just going to go ahead and Control C and just paste there. I don't know why it's not pasting, but learning to play soccer. And you can see my header from the first page, soccer, is now on the second page. Okay, so this is going to be your introduction. We're going to go over, I'm going to at least provide some videos on how to set up a meal paragraph, which again is going to be really important, not just for this class, but as you move through your academic journey. And then we're going to go over headers. Okay, so this first header, we're going to go forwards and we're going to learn about positions. So we're going to go center forward. And I'm just kind of making this up. How they score goals. How to score goals. And then we can go in here and you'll see that each kind of header, oops, forward, is going to, think of it like a pyramid. The bottom of the pyramid here, the next row, and then you can see that it kind of gets more, this starts at more of a broad level and it starts focusing in a little bit more. I doubt you're actually ever going to use any headers. This is your first header, and you can see that by, if you look at the top of your Word document here, it's already set up for you header 1. Here is going to be a header 2 and a header 3. Honestly, I wrote a dissertation. I don't think I use anything past a header 4, if rarely. So I would even say let's get rid of this here. And you're more than likely just going to use your heading 1, your heading 2, and your heading 3. Okay. And then you're going to go ahead and if I were to copy and paste this, Control C. Whoops. And then maybe I'm going to talk about my midfield. And then here I could go center mid, midfield, and then I want to create another one down here. And then I want to go wingers, right? So then if I go ahead and copy this again, let's go defense. Whoops. Defenders. Center back, right? So that is how you're going to end up using your APA. This is a very short video on how to set this up. Learning APA is a beast in and of itself, and so I'm just trying to give you a rundown of structuring your paper. I will tell you a few times that you will need to use page break, and so if you don't know what a page break is, a lot of people will just go like this, push enter, 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 enter until they get a new page, right? That's not a true page break. So if I come back here and I go enter page break, you're going to see now I have a break here and then in my reference, okay? So in this paper you're going to receive, the reference is already going to be automatically page broken, so that will help you. Next, you're going to have your references, and this is really important. This is probably one of the hardest parts of APA writing, is correctly having your citations and your references. And so I will provide more videos on learning how to write APA and completing your references, kind of like a For Dummies guide. I'm really going to break it down so that you don't need to necessarily be an expert at it. You just need to be an expert for this class. So I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, please let me know.